Hi, guys. So, we are still reading Mo Willems' books because he's really one of our favorite authors. Some of the characters that Mo Willems has, we also talked about Trixie, do you remember her? And Knuffle Bunny. And then Elephant and Piggy are some of his other characters that he writes about a lot. This one is an Elephant and Piggy book. There is a bird on your head. Again, remember, this is an exclamation mark. So we say it, there's a bird on your head. We say it with excitement. All right, let's see what Elephant and Piggy are up to today. Some of you may know that guy too. Let's see who we recognize in here. Okay. Do. No words, but the pictures tell us the story, don't they? Piggy! Now remember, I'm just going to remind you about Elephant and Piggy books too. When the words are in a gray speech bubble, that means they belong to the gray elephant. When the words are in a pink bubble, that means Piggy saying them. So that will help you know. This elephant says, is something on my head? There's another mark. This time that's a question mark. Piggy says, yes. There is a bird on your head. Well, there is a bird on my head? How? Ooh, there's those marks. Exclamation, exclamation, exclamation mark. Excited. He runs away. Look, he jumps, runs. Birdie. Piggy, look at everybody's faces. Is there a bird on my head now? Piggy says, no. Now there are two birds on your head. Look at 1, 2. Oh. What are two birds doing on my head? Piggy says, oh, they're in love. The birds on my head are in love? Piggy says, they're lovebirds. Lovebirds? Well, how do you know they are lovebirds? Piggy says, they are making a nest. Elephant, two birds are making a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Piggy's trying to solve it, trying to figure out why. Do I have an egg on my head? Look at, not just one egg. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. This is cute. Look at where Piggy decided to sit. Huh? Right on Elephant's trunk. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Piggy says, well, then I have good news. The eggs are gone? Well, the eggs are hatching. Uh-oh, look. Can you see? Look at, there's little marks around the eggs that show us that they are moving. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Piggy's very calm. They're not on his head, right? Oh, look at, cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Ah. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. Not funny. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Piggy says, well, where do you want them? Elephant says, somewhere else. Woo, he said that so loudly and in such a big way that it blew Piggy right over. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Yes, ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? The birds say, sure, no problem. Elephant says, it worked. The birdies say, bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Look, he says, well, you are welcome. But look at his face. And look who's on his head. Isn't that a funny one? So they went from Elephant's head to Piggy's head. That Mo Willems, he's a funny author and a good illustrator. Thanks, friends. Have a good rest of your day.